you that aging isn't just about time, but about choices. Scientists now believe you can slow down or even reverse certain aspects of aging naturally. Forget expensive creams or risky treatments. Here are the real science-backed secrets to staying younger, longer. Stop inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the #1 enemy of aging. It damages cells, speeds up wrinkles, and increases disease risk. But the solution: anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, leafy greens, and omega-3 rich fish can slow this process dramatically. Activate your longevity genes. Your body has longevity genes that control aging. The good news: you can activate them. Intermittent fasting, regular exercise, and even cold showers trigger these genes, keeping your cells young and strong. The power of deep sleep. Think sleep is just for rest. Think again. Deep sleep is when your body repairs damage, removes toxins, and produces anti-aging hormones. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep to keep your brain and skin youthful. The ultimate anti-aging diet. You are what you eat. Antioxidant-rich foods like berries, dark chocolate, and nuts fight free radicals, the molecules that speed up aging. Swap processed foods for whole, nutrient-dense meals to fuel your body with youth-preserving power. Stress less, live longer. Did you know that chronic stress actually shortens your lifespan? Meditation, deep breathing, and even laughter can reduce stress hormones and slow aging at a cellular level. So, relax. It's scientifically proven to keep you young. Aging isn't just fate, it's a lifestyle. Small daily habits can literally turn back your biological clock. Which of these tips will you try first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health secrets.